C'est El Capitan, the El Capitan. That's my grandma's school, El Capitan. Mom, I just get a ribeye. They have something I don't even something I hate. I didn't know. I didn't know this was out.
They have burgers.
It's very nothing I can get. Just gonna get the ribeye. That's all. And do we have any fries included, Mom?
Huh?
Do you have any fries or no fries?
I think so.
Disgusting. Wow, it's disgusting. Tail, look at this. This is the big place.
What are you doing? Stop.
I'm videoing, Mom. Stop, Mom. God, because I want to show this to someone I know.
People don't want video on my phone. Stop.
I'm not videoing for someone.